third round, napakilala si Shane Mosley sa bilis at bangis ni Manny Pacquiao. Ganito.
So that was an excellent combination that Manny Pacquiao fired. First, the right straight, and then the left hook. Just when Mosley's right hand was down, Manny found the opening and scored a knockdown.
Okay, anong basa mo sa psyche niya ni Shane Mosley after getting knocked down in the third?
He looked very dazed, and I think he's down more cautious, and I think he knows that if he makes one small mistake, that's the end. That's the end of his record of not having been knocked down in his entire career.
Well, that's only the... Manny's now...
Knocked out, knocked out.
Yeah, Manny's only the second fighter to floor Sugar Shane Mosley. Vernon Forrest had him down on the canvas twice in the second round.
Nagulas lang si Shane Mosley sa pagkakataon na yun. Fighters fight on.
At this stage, Manny's looking very, very confident.
Yeah.
Dapat mag-iingat din siya rito, ha?
Sa ngayon, yung overwhelming odds staying true to form.
Mosley landing a right. Pacquiao clearly dictating the tempo. Mosley trying to fight back. That's the reach advantage you saw there. The speed advantage of Manny Pacquiao is just overwhelming. Nakita natin yung mga bagong suntok ni Manny, no? Dumuyo ko siya, biglang mag-overhand right.
Ever-expanding repertoire. There continues to be fuddle yung mga kalaban ni Manny Pacquiao.
Doon tayo nagugulat kay Manny, no? Every fight he shows